Alright, it's really windy, so I hope you guys can hear me, but welcome to day 2 of the Mayhem F350 build. It is my 12 valve swap 93 F350, if you guys are new here. So today we're going to pull the engine out, because I forgot my fan tool to pull the front stuff off. So we're going to move it up towards the garage, pressure wash all this so I'm not touching everything that's gross, and then air up the tire, stuff like that, and then we're gonna work on getting this out. So that's what we're doing today. All right, we got the tire off the ground, little compressor that could. So now we have just enough wind in her to get her where we need to go. So I'm gonna steal some help from my coworker. And then we're gonna drive this thing over there behind the forklift and hope we don't run him over. So, let's get it. We got her moved up in the driveway. We're gonna pressure wash some of this grime out of here, get the timing cover and fan and all that cleaned up, as well as the firewall and hood. All right, we got it up here, got it all pressure washed. The suspension parts are blue, by the way, but we got the timing case as clean as it's gonna get. So we're gonna start pulling stuff off. We're gonna start block heater hoses, alternator, the stuff that needs to stay, boost tube, all that fun stuff. So let's get that going right now. See if I can find a good spot to put you. truck's behind me. We're in the garage where the 24 valve donor engine is. I don't want to get into what block it is, but so now the 12 valve is next to it as well. So we're going to move the clutch and flywheel and adapter plate to that engine, and then the whole timing case, cover all this stuff. The VE pump will all go onto this one, as well as probably the intake horn, just because I'd have to remake my boost tubes for this one, but should be pretty fun. So we're gonna be doing all the moving everything over tomorrow. Maybe not the clutches and adapters, because that's kind of what they're sitting on right here. They're kind of sitting on the adapters, so I don't think those are gonna be wise to move, but we can definitely get the timing cases and pumps moved, and then strip the auto trans stuff off of this one. But there they are. So watch for day 3, should be uploaded tomorrow after I get all this crap off of here. So too much fun. All I gotta do now is probably gonna pull my jack out nice and gentle, clean up all my tools, and then I might start scraping some of this goo and gunk off everything with a scraper and a vacuum, and then look to put that new engine in here. So you guys should definitely follow along for the build. It should be pretty fun when it's done. So that's all for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.